It's TVC News, Ile-Ife, Osun State.
And in Delta State, the government believes its 10% malaria burden can be reduced further when organizations and well-meaning individuals join in the fight against the deadly disease. Commissioner for Health, Joseph Onajaeme, stated this during the free malaria training in Warri. Ikenamichi has details.
Marching through major streets in Warri, the group, together with health workers from the State Ministry of Health, sensitized residents on the need to adopt preventive measures against malaria. Though this year's World Malaria Day has been observed in April 25th, but the theme, Accelerating Fight Against Malaria for a More Equitable World, is quite apt for these free malaria treatments.
Malaria is deadly. Malaria can be prevented and it can be treated. So they should try and clean up their environment, sleep inside their mosquito nets, their mosquito treated bed nets that have been given to them. And then when they find themselves with any of those symptoms or all those symptoms that we have mentioned during the lecture, headache, fever, body pain, joint pain, they should go to the health facilities for proper diagnosis and treatment.
They should not just look at malaria. It's just malaria. It is common, but it's very, very deadly. People do not believe that malaria kills, but it does kill. So instead of going to all these native people taking agbo that does not seem to work for most of them, they should get proper checkup and take proper treatment for it.
Over 500 residents of Warri converge here to receive free malaria treatment and mosquito-treated nets as medical practitioners underscore the impact of this gesture.
The percentage that we got in 2021 dropped to 10%. That is to tell you that there is a stride in the fight against what? Malaria. So our major aim of coming to this place, Warri South precisely, is to eliminate malaria to the zero level.
Generally, we give them education on how to avoid stagnant water, bushes around their houses, then blocked drains. That's what we have been doing.
Some of the symptoms of malaria include high fever, headache, sweating, diarrhea, fatigue, muscle and back pain, nausea, and vomiting. The health workers also advised against self-medication. Ikenamichi, TVC News, Warri.
Now, after months of complaints,